Once you're done with your design, take a pair of scissors and trim all the loose ends so they match the height of your loops. This gives your piece a clean, even finish. In punch needle, there's no right or wrong side. It's completely up to your style. If you prefer a clean and flat look, use the smoother side. If you love a textured 3D effect, keep the loopy side facing up. You can even cut and trim the loops for a soft, tufted rug finish. Once you've finished punching, it's time to prepare your fabric for framing. Take a pair of scissors and cut around your punch design, leaving about a 1 cm margin on all sides. Make small cuts along the edges. This will help the fabric fold and stick more easily. For a neat finish, trim the corners at right angles. Cutting the fabric can get a bit messy. Just blow off the loose strands to keep your piece clean. Now take your glue and apply it along the edges of the fabric. Stick the fabric carefully, pressing it down as you go. Pull the fabric tightly while sticking to make sure the edges look clean and minimal. It may take a little effort, so once it's positioned, place a weight over it and let it sit for a while to bond properly. We recommend using Fevikwik if you are comfortable with it. Once the border is set, apply glue to the MDF frame and stick the punch needle piece over it. Again, press it down firmly and let it rest under some weight for the glue to set. You can display your frame in multiple ways. And that's it, your punch needle picture frame is ready. A handmade piece of art to elevate your home decor.